Chriso. How are we doing today? I'm progressing in this bathroom nicely. I'm doing this wall at the moment. Then I'll do my ledge. This is a whole shelf that you use like a niche. Everything gets stacked up there. You can even have a pot plant or two. It all looks pretty cool. Most of the time I do niches in the wall, but sometimes I do the shelf niche as well. The owner is undecided whether he's tiling this wall. He's not sure. He's just rung the tile shop to see if they have more tiles. He'll probably go ahead, but he's sheeted this wall, but I need to cut if he does tile it. I need to cut back because he's come across too far and it's on part of the framework which is jutting this jib rock out too far. I just got to cut it back, but that's easy peasy. Easy peasy.
They're all the same batch.
Okay, so you want it done?
Yep.
Roger.
I'll just wear the consequences very fun.
Yep.
I think it'll look nicer.
It will. It will. It just costs you a little bit more,
Yeah.
but I'll be kind because I'm doing your bathroom. That's the owner. His name's John.
I believe he's a good fella.
So I've got the go ahead. I do this wall,
Yep.
and I'll do your architrave, and I'll cut down there
Yeah.
and get it in, and we'll be laughing.
Yeah.
All right, mate. No worries.
I'll start setting up these rooms now, and I'll bring the plumber. So he can come out.
Yeah, he can fit off.
He can fit off this room on Friday, can't he?
Oh,
Or Monday.
yeah. Make it Monday. Oh, I'm out of the road.
Yeah.
I just might be doing a bit of silicon
Oh, yeah.
Friday morning.
Yeah. Right.
I'd rather be doing it than trying to squeeze it in Thursday afternoon and everything's still wet.
Yeah.
It's better when it dries overnight.
Yep.
So Monday is better for him, mate, yes. And then you'll have a toilet on site and all, hey?
Yeah.
You'll be...
We've got no septic. Because we've got a toilet up in the back shed, but we can't use it.
Oh,
Because the septic tank is full of roots and all sorts of shit.
oh, okay.
And it's not draining out, so once it fills up, that's it. It just runs out over the top and into
Yep.
that big area there.
Ah,
Because this has got its own septic up there. And this is where we're in trouble. No one will just replace the tank for me
yeah.
because the council crap. So what I've got to do, this one guy's quoted me $8,000 to dig a trench from there down to the back of the house and join that into the house. Or about 11,000 to take it, dig a whole new trench going all the way down the side with the septic tank at the front.
Oh, it mounts up, it keeps going.
That's right, yeah. And if the one out the front doesn't work, that's going to be $16,000 to replace that. And a whole other world of trouble because there's got to be plans drawn up, and it's got to go to council, and the council will come out and inspect.
Yeah. With this then, John, if you put your frame here, I'll tile to here.
See, what I was going to do is this. I was just going to put a metal insert in there.
Okay. Are you doing it right to that size?
Yeah. Yeah, and then I was going to put the architrave around the side.
On top of it.
Yeah.
On top of my tile. Yeah. That's how it works.
Yep.
That's what. Yeah. So, if my tile is like that, I'll stay away from the edge a little.
Yep.
Bring your cabinet out flush with that.
Yep.
and then you're able to architrave straight over the top.
Yep. Yep.
And it'll look all lovely.
Yep.
Okay, and here, well then, your architrave, you just cut it to, cut it to size.
Yeah.
And you're laughing. Okay.
So you might end up just putting a bit of quad in there or something, rather than full architrave, just architrave around there, and a bit of you know, the round quad, to see what it looks like when I'm
quarter round.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, no worries. That's another happy owner.
Yeah.
Right, I'll get back to you soon, people. I'll just do these few cuts and then I'll come back to you and we'll do the sledge. See you soon.